If you're a good marketer and you have a good product or service, that's the kind of thing that helps you build a long-lasting company. But if you're a good marketer and you have a bad product or service, all you're really doing is delaying the death of the company, because you're getting new people into the wheelhouse every week or every month, but then they're churning, they're not staying, they're not referring friends, they're not, like, nothing else is happening. So you're constantly trying. It's like a boat that has a leak. You're always trying to get the water out and you're never done. Versus if you have an exceptional product or service and then you market it really well, there comes a point where you can actually reduce your marketing costs.